Hello, children. Today I have a very interesting topic for you in EVS from the book Hello Earth. Do you want to know what the lesson's name is? Yes, children. Before I tell you, I would like to ask you, how do you feel these days? Yes, it's very cold. In summers, hot. The weather is hot. And in rainy season, we have to carry an umbrella. And stormy, when the wind is blowing very hard, very harsh on us. It is windy, right? So today's topic is weather and season. Weather and season. So first, to talk about the weather, there are various kinds of weathers which we are going to study today. It could be cold, it could be hot, rainy, windy, stormy, right children? Whereas in seasons, we have 5 types of seasons in India. And they are summer, monsoon, autumn, winter, and the spring seasons. So children, today we are going to study about the various weather conditions and the seasons we find in India. So here we go. First, we will talk about the weather, children. Our earth has a blanket of air around it called the atmosphere. Changes in the air make a place hot or cold. Weather is the condition of the air of a place at a particular time. The weather of a place is not the same every day. It keeps changing. It could be hot, cool, sunny, cloudy, windy, cold, rainy, stormy, depending on where we live. So now, do you understand what weather is all about? Okay, then let's start talking about seasons. We find to talk of the seasons, children, some months in a year are hot and some are cold. When we have the same weather for a long time, we call it a season. There are 5 main seasons we find in India, and these are summer, monsoon, autumn, winter, and the spring season. So let's learn about these various seasons we find in India. First, we are going to talk about the summer seasons, which is the hottest season. The sun is the brightest and hottest during this time. The air is very warm and dry. We like to stay indoors where it is cool because of the fans, coolers, and the air conditioners. We wear light cotton clothes and enjoy cold drinks. Fruits like mangoes and melons are very popular summer fruits. Children, in India, the rainy season is also known as the monsoon. It is the wettest time of the year. It is usually very cloudy during this time and we get lot of rain. All the lakes and rivers are flooded during this time. We wear raincoats and use umbrellas. These are made of waterproof material that keep us dry. Third comes the autumn season after the monsoons. During this time, the weather is really very pleasant. But the trees shed their leaves in this season. So it is known as autumn season. Next comes the winter season, as you can see in the picture. It is the coldest season of the year. Unlike summer, the sun is not very hot. Cold wind blows during this time. We usually wear woolen clothes, use heaters, and light fires to keep ourselves warm. In winter, it rains in some places, and on mountains it snows. We love to have hot food like soup and hot drinks like hot chocolate in this season, don't we, children? Here comes the spring season, which is so very colorful and beautiful. This is the season between winter and summer. It is the most colorful season of the year, as I just said. Usually, flowers bloom and new leaves grow on the plants during this time. Changes in the season affect our daily life, children, and the food we eat and the clothes we wear. I hope by now you have understood this lesson wonderfully well. Right, babies? After having understood this lesson well, I would like to take your leave, requesting you all to go through this lesson properly, and then you will have a very, very clear picture of the lesson, weather, and the season. So with this, bye-bye to you all. Have a wonderful time.